Today we're going to walk you through how to change the section on your FaceLift Phantom HiMod pole. As you can see here, without removing the clamp and bolt and nut, it will be impossible to remove. Firstly, we're going to undo the clamp, holding the section in place by removing the bolt and then pulling the lever away. Next, using a 4mm Allen key, remove the nut and bolt underneath the clamp. Now we're going to remove the old section. It will be slightly tighter at the end as it's thicker. Slide your new HiMod section into the pole. Now tighten the nut and bolt using your Allen key. Return the lever to its fitting and tighten the clamp. So that is how to change the section on your FaceLift Phantom HiMod pole. For more information, go to our website www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching.